Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a hair keratin using carrot, banana, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of your conditioner. Carrot contains huge levels of vitamin A, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which are essential nutrients for hair health. Carrots for hair health is thought to promote hair growth and softness, while strengthening your precious hair follicles. The nutrients in bananas like natural oils, biotin, and potassium deeply nourish the scalp, promoting healthy hair follicles and boosting hair growth. Mayo promotes hair growth, deep moisturization, and thickens the hair. You can apply this hair mask 2 times per week with a shower cap and then shampoo your hair normally. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Bye.